No, that's a panda. My mum doesn't eat bamboo, she eats fruits and plants too.
She has small claws, not long dirty claws.
She doesn't have a short fluffy tail. And anyway, my mum is quicker than a snail. No, that's a panda. My mum doesn't have big black and white patches.
She's smart enough to run away from matches.
She's not as big as a whale.
And anyway, my mum has a ringed tail.
No, that's a toucan. My mum doesn't have a long, sharp beak.
She is fluffy and has smaller feet.
She doesn't like to fly and soar.
And anyway, my mum has a smooth paw.
No, that's a snake. My mum doesn't slither around trees or eat meat.
She has a long tail and she likes leaves to eat.
She doesn't have scales. She lives in trees.
Anyway, my mum looks like me.
No, that's a panda. My mum doesn't have black spots around her eyes.
She has a long tail and likes eating flies.
She doesn't have a small tail.
And anyway, my mum is faster than the snail.
No, that's a panda.
My mum doesn't eat bamboo, she eats fruit, bugs and spiders too. She hasn't got black and white around her eyes. And anyway, my mum is really wise.
No, that's a panda.
My mum doesn't eat bamboo and isn't that big. She likes to eat flies and likes to dig.
She doesn't use a tree to scratch her back.
And anyway, my mum is grey, white and black.
No, that's a panda.
My mum doesn't live in China.
She lives in a tree up higher.
She doesn't live on the ground all day. And anyway, my mum likes to swing away.